Shopping in the States, and we're going to pick up Jaden and Sydney. We're a little bit late, of course, typical.
Not really, because it's gonna take me like, it's 7:27 and it's...
Yeah, it's 7:27, we'll see what time we get there. I told them 8, Hannah said 7:30, absolutely not 7:30. I told them 8 because I was only 4 minutes late. Hannah...
I underestimated timing.
Hannah's 10 minutes late, more than 10 minutes late. So, yeah, so we're going on our way to pick up Jaden and Sydney, and we're in Hannah's new car. So I'll see you when... Oh, fit quick. This is from a Elle's Boutique, Canadian-owned little store. It's a shacket. Shirt are Den, pants are American Eagle, and boots are from the shoe company.
That's not a shirt jacket. That's a
Hannah, what's your
jacket. I have jeans on from Old Navy, and they have paint on them.
Yeah.
And then I have this blue sweater I got on clearance from Walmart.
Cute. Okay, so now... Oh, and my jewelry, obviously, Dane. My earrings are from Maurice's, and my watch is Apple. And yeah, so that was a cute little fit check, and we're now going to pick up Jaden and Sydney to go to Buffalo. Buffalo! Okay, let's go to our Buffaloes.
We've been in Buffalo for hours. Literally like 6 hours.
You know, I bought...
5.
Hey, there's Denny's. Wasn't your option... Or Bob?
I've never been to Denny's.
Really? There's a Denny's in Niagara. We just finished spending all our time in New York State. Well, I don't even know, what is this called?
Yeah,
Niagara Falls?
No, it's New York State, but we're in America.
Yeah.
Some stinks like skunk.
Went to Ulta, Walmart, Petco. Petco scares me. I don't like Petco. It smells like hamsters. Where else? Hobby Lobby. I bought a tree. I'll do a haul in the hotel room.
Five Below.
Five Below. I didn't buy anything at Five Below.
Walmart.
Walmart. I
Gross.
spent a lot of money at Walmart.
How much did you spend?
$59.
Oh my god.
I got Dane a cheese knife set for Christmas.
You got you a cheese knife set.
Yep, but I'm gonna give it to Dane. I'm gonna tell him I got him something in the States and just be like, here, I got you a really gift for your birthday.
You didn't look for the Cheez-It Puffs.
I didn't. Target will have them. They didn't have the Nutty Buddy cereal, so, and they had no cereal selection.
Stop! I know I'm breaking.
Yeah, they literally had like nothing.
So now we're on our way to Walden Galleria. No, we're on our way to Target and then Walden Galleria and then dinner. I don't even think we're gonna have lunch, or maybe we'll get a snack in the mall.
I'm not even hungry.
I'm not hungry
Neither
either.
am I. That was a big
I think I might get a pretzel before we leave the mall.
Yes.
Snack. Eyes look really. My makeup looks really good. I didn't put primer on today. I forgot to.
I put the elf one on and I love it. It's like the sticky. It's very sticky. It's like glue.
Did you guys see Five Below had 2 of the face makeup erasers, the cloths,
Oh yeah, I love
for $5?
There's the Real Technique sponges there for $3.
Dude, Five Below is a gold mine. Oh, all 4 wheels?
But yeah, so I'll see you at the next part. I'm really.
What's Taco Bell?
I never vlog, so this is good as it's gonna get.
Maybe when we go to
So we're back at the hotel, and I have a little haul while Hannah and Sid are sleeping, and Jade's over there doing her thing. We're looking at places for dinner, but I think we're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse. So hopefully I remember to show you what I got. But I thought I'd do a little mini haul. Tomorrow when I get home, I'll probably do, if there's anything else I buy, I'll probably do it then. So the first place we went to was Ulta. Oh no, well, we ate breakfast first at Bob Evans, and I got the French toast with bacon and the Cinnabiscuits. So good. But I got you I Love You a latte. I love these bite size. I have a bunch of them. So I love that. So I got that. I also got this brown eyeliner. I've been looking for brown eyeliner for a while. So I got it. Hoping it turns out good. I hope I got brown. I did. And then I got an eyeliner or an eyebrow pencil. And then we went to, I'll go out of order because I'm just gonna go with what I have packed. So I went to Walmart too. And I got this for my Cricut stuff because we don't sell plastic covered freezer paper in Canada. So I'm using this. It'd also be good for us freezing meat, but I'm basically using this for, it literally has it on it, for, I'm making an advent calendar for Dane and I, so that's what I got it for. I'm using him as my bag holder. And then I got these cheese knives. This little sewing kit. It's so cute. I'm excited to use this. I love it so much. And then I got some vinyl from Hobby Lobby. Got this pattern and this pattern. And then I got some washi tape for with Christmas on it because I really want to go all out for Christmas this year. And then I got 2 long sleeves in green and white, and 2 tank tops in cream and pink. So that is my haul so far. I haven't got, oh, I have to show you one more thing I get, so let me pack this up. Oop. And then I got these. He's so cute. It's going on my fireplace. And then I'll show you our hotel. Oh, I always do that. This is our hotel room. But yeah, so I will show you what I get for dinner.
Just press it.
We're in Buffalo now. Sydney's face.